Hi children, welcome to our EVS class. First lesson, that is my family. In that my family topic is helping the older members of the family. Open your content book. Book means textbook. Open content book, page number 13. As usual, first time I will read out the textbook. Second time I will read line by line and I will explain. You know already, while I am reading first time, just you keep your finger and go through like this until I will complete the lesson. Helping older members of the family. Aisha loves spending time with her grandparents. Figure 4. They tell her fun stories about her parents and fairy tales. They play with her and her brother. They are very wise and give good advice. Even her parents go to them for help. Aisha can see that her grandparents are not very strong. Their eyes, arms and legs are weak. They cannot walk quickly, climb stairs or do much work. They also find it difficult to read. Aisha tries to help them by bringing the things they need. She helps them when they need her help. Sometimes older people can get lonely. We should talk to them and spend time with them. See what you know from this? Helping older members of the family. Older members means already I told you elder one. Elder one means grandparents who are there aged. Aisha loves spending time with her grandparents. Figure 4. Figure 4 means picture 4. In a picture 4 we are seeing the grandparents picture. They tell her fun stories about her parents and fairy tales. Fun stories means joke stories. They tell her fun stories about her parents and fairy tales. It means some of you having grandparents. They tell her fun stories about parents and fairy tales. Aisha's grandparents tell her to fun stories. Fun stories means joke stories and all. It gives us a joyful and happiness. You are also having grandparents means they will say you stories and all. They play with her and her brother. Grandparents, Aisha's grandparents are playing with Aisha and her brother. They are very wise and give good advice. Here they means grandparents, Aisha's grandparents. They are very wise. Wise means intelligent. Wise means intelligent. And give good advice. Good advice means they will say this. Grandparents will always say no, how to sit, how to stand, how to give respect to the others, how to give respect to the elders, and all they will give advice. They will say how to go, how to walk, how to sit, what is good and what is bad. That is the advice. How to respect to the teachers, how to respect to the elders. That is also advice. Grandparents will teach us. Even her parents go to them for help. Aisha can see that her grandparents are not very strong. Aisha can see that. I said already, grandparents are little bit weak because they are older, aged people. They are weak, not strong like your parents. Father or mother will be strong. But grandparents are little bit weak from them. Their eyes, arms and legs are weak. They cannot walk quickly. You are all walking very quickly, but grandparents are not walk very quickly because we know they were not too strong. They were weak. They cannot walk quickly, climb stairs. Stairs places. They can't climb. Even they climb also, they will climb very slowly, not as fast as you. And do much work. They are not they won't do the much work. Little work they can. Whatever need, whatever important they can do. Like this small things they will do. They will play with you or something. They also find it difficult to read because little weak means already some are not visible very clearly. That's why they won't read. They can't read. Aisha tries to help them by bringing the things they need. Aisha tries to help them by bringing the things they need. Even here, Aisha's grandparents anything want means Aisha wants to give them. She wants to bring and give them. She helps them when they need her help. Sometimes they may sleep or sometimes they may sit outside and they want to water or newspaper anything. Aisha wants to do that help. Why she will go inside and bring water, or she will go drawing room and bring the newspaper or anything she will give them. Sometimes older people can get lonely. Loneliness, do you know? Being alone, lonely. Sometimes older people can get lonely. If we have many members in a family or we are being with many members, we will get enjoyment and pass the time very quickly. Yes, no? Lonely means alone you want to play, alone you want to write, alone you want to sit means time won't pass. That loneliness feel the grandparents. We should talk to them and spend time with them. We should talk to them and spend time with them. Whenever we are getting free time, we should talk with grandparents and spend time with them. Children, have you understand here? How we can help them? How we can help to the grandparents? Fetch things for them. Fetch things for them. It means to go to a place and bring back to somebody or something. To go to a place and bring back to something or somebody. Even grandparents wants to call somebody, your mother or father, they wants to call. They are inside and grandparents sitting in a garden or outside. You should go and call your parents and say, or if not, something said, bring a newspaper or water already I told. Like that they asked me, you should go and bring. That is the fetch things for them. Then helping them do their work. Whatever the work they have, grandparents have some work means you should do help in that work. It means making bed or bringing meals or bringing breakfast. Anything they need, you can do that work. Making sure they have their medicines. Almost all the grandparents wants medicines because already we know they are weak. Some medicines they want means you can make them to sure either is there or not, are they taken or not. You watch them. Then helping them cross the road. While walking on the road, you and your grandparents going somewhere, either park or anywhere you are going means just you help them to cross the road by holding their hands. Then spending time with them. Whenever only one or two there means we are only alone with them means we are getting bored. On that time we are not in good mood. That's why we want to join with others. It means spending time with them. When spending time with them. Whenever the grandparents are there, we have to how we are helping like that only. We should spend our time with them. Little time we should give them. Then they will feel happy. Children, these five sentences. Fetch things for them, helping them to do their work, making sure they have their medicines, helping them cross the road, spending time with them. How we can help the olders? Already we know our parents and grandparents are help us, but how we can? By like this we can help them. Now children, it's the time for exercises. It's the time for exercises. Shall we do the exercise? In the green color, question number 1 and 2 there. First question I want to read now and I want to give answer for that. Why does Aisha like to spend time with her grandparents? Do you know why does Aisha like to spend time with her grandparents? Why does Aisha like to spend time with her grandparents? I said already, whenever you want to give answer for the questions, just you read out the textbook one time, definitely will get answered by them. While doing the exercise, just you take your parents' help and do work. They tell her fun stories. Why Aisha wants to spend time with them? Because they tell her fun stories. Aisha's grandparents tell her fun stories. And question number 2. Why do older people need our help? Why do older people need our help? Already we said older people are very weak, so that they need our help. But how we should write here? We can't. It's not possible to write here. Do worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. Workbook. We said no workbook. In this workbook, page number 8. Open page number 8. In that we have to write this. In next session, I will give this give answer for this. Okay, children. Now, question number 3. What kind of problems do people have when they grow old? Question number 3 is, what kind of problems do people have when they grow old? Question number 4. Can you think of any other ways in which we can help our grandparents? Give 2 examples. See children, question number 3 and 4 are the homework. Just you take it as a homework, question number 3 and 4. Write in your homework notebook and send to my personal number. Then last, in the page number 13 only, last in green color there, no? Did you know there are old age homes for old people? Why do not have anyone to take care of them? We can visit them there to spend time with them and help them. Whenever old people there means, wherever the grandparents or old people there alone means, just whenever we will get the time, on that time we will go and spend time with them. Thank you.